currently the head of product at Inbenta. Inbenta is an AI-based software company. So every day looks different, but a lot of my time is really spent on problem solving. I currently lead a team of 4 product managers across Europe, Brazil, and Canada. And a big part of my role right now is coaching and enabling them to be successful within their roles. Another big piece of my role is being responsible for driving the strategy of the products that we sell to businesses and making sure that whatever features we're building and whatever features we are planning to build align with what our customers actually need, solves real problems for them. They're aligned with where the business is going and the business goals, and identifying any gaps that we see within the AI landscape in the market that we play in so that we can continue to be a leader in this space. So the pieces that we specialize in are providing AI-powered virtual or chat-like assistants to help end users. So think of a retail company or a travel company, and you go to their website, and instead of calling into their support center, you just want your questions easily answered, or you want someone or something to help you easily book a flight, or find out inventory, or give you a product recommendation, for a retail site. You can then go and use that chat assistant and use it to help you get whatever you need, like perform a task or get customer support. So we're really kind of building that whole experience of managing and setting up that assistant solution for those businesses. One main thing I tell all young product managers that I interview are to stay curious and always ask why. It's so important for somebody in product to always be thinking about, why should we build this feature? Why should we prioritize this on our roadmap? Why is this important for the business? And just really ask those questions. Product organizations fall into a trap of just becoming kind of what you call a feature factory, where you're just shipping features for a product, but they're not actually adding any value. So being able to question those decisions and really get to the bottom of why it's important that you do it is so important. The job market right now for product management and tech is very competitive, but some of the things that are super important are to be able to demonstrate your skills. So I'd suggest building a strong foundation, doing online courses or certifications with any hands-on components so you can actually demonstrate those skills. And then staying plugged into what's happening in the market, whichever market you want to work in, and understand that deeply. Strategy in the product management field is becoming increasingly critical because some of the more executional tasks right now can be automated or supported by AI. So that critical strategic thinking is really, really important. And, really just having good soft skills like communication and influence and storytelling as well, and being able to work with people. Some of the challenges that I've personally encountered in, I guess, the tech space are more related to me being a younger woman leader figure in the tech space, which is traditionally a male-dominated industry. My approach to overcoming those situations has really been to let my work speak for itself, to maintain confidence in the value that I add, especially in those client conversations, not letting that phase you, just focusing on the value that you can actually add for them, and then advocating for myself and what I think is right for the client or the business. So, making sure that you're delivering the results, you're demonstrating the expertise, and just really showing people that you're actually a force to be reckoned with. So over time, the credibility will build, and those moments do become easier to navigate in that way. The piece I love about it changing day to day is excellent because I get bored very quickly. And I think for anybody that is looking for something where they can kind of get their hands into and not always know what you're going to expect working on the day to day, it's a great field to be in.